Greetings everyone from Piedmont Triad International Airport in Greensboro, North Carolina. May K. Bueller here with a showstopper to tell you about today. Now this is our specialty, only the finest pre-owned prime condition Beechcraft Barons and Bonanzas. So today I have a showstopper, a 2015 G36 to tell you about, like new. One owner, all the bells and whistles. Let's take a look. So folks, let's check out this gorgeous engine. It's a Teldon Continental IO 550 300 horsepower engine. It's so beautiful you could eat off of it. Only 225 hours on the engine, airframe, and prop since new. Only 225. So folks, I want you to know, not only is she low time, she has been pampered, always hangared, and only one owner. And if I didn't know any better, I would swear she was brand new. The exterior of this G36 is like new. Matterhorn white with black metallic and red stripes. Gorgeous condition. Only 225 hours on the airframe since new. So this G36 has the large double cargo doors that we love about the Bonanza. And the interior, it's exceptional. We'll take a closer look in a minute. Now when it comes to the seating arrangement, you already know it's versatile. Everyone can be in the club seating configuration, executive style, or we can move the seats around, or I can even just remove a seat altogether. I don't need any tools. All I need to do is pick up on a bar, remove a pin, we're good to go. So come here, come on and take a seat with me. You will love this. It's the lap of luxury. Beautiful pewter leather seats, matching carpet, the sidewalls, the headliner, all in beautiful condition, and the table, folks, like new. Factory air conditioning on board. We have the new style G36 interior, the set it and forget it climate control, shoulder harnesses for everyone, 6-place intercom system, lots to love. So let's check out this gorgeous flight deck. Garmin G1000 fully integrated glass panel flight deck. You'll enjoy Garmin Navcom GPSs with GlideScope, dual Garmin IFR G129A approved GPS, Garmin high resolution primary flight display and multifunction flight display, AHERS 1, engine indication advisory system on the MFD or PFD, active traffic, Garmin GTX 330 ES with ADS-B out, that's your transponder, XM weather, XM music, TAWS-B. Your autopilot is a Garmin GFC 700 flight control system with EFIS PFD and altitude pre-select. Other features you will appreciate: WAAS and sun visors, safe taxi and Jepp chart view, WAAS and synthetic vision, factory air conditioning, 3-blade prop with D-eyes, XM satellite weather and music, co-pilot push-to-talk, co-pilot braking system, 6-place intercom system, and more. So folks, this truly is one of the most beautiful G36s you will ever see. Can you believe she's a 2015, only 225 hours on the engine, airframe, and prop since new. Great avionics, incredible interior, and Bonanza skull. It comes included with the price of the aircraft. Folks, she's always been pampered and hangared and only one owner. All right, she's gonna fly away soon, so if you're interested, give us a call right away. We're at Piedmont Triad International Airport. We are Carolina Aircraft. We'd love to meet you. For Carolina Aircraft, I'm May K. Bueller. Thanks so much for watching.